If you struggle doing chrome deletes and it looks like this, keep watching this video. I'm about to give you the best fix there is. Day 27 on car wrapping tips for beginners, where I give you one new car wrapping tip for 30 days straight so you can perfect your craft. Stop overstretching these chrome delete corners. It's always gonna peel back. Let me show you. When doing a chrome delete in this area right here, you want to wrap the cap first. Let's cut a little small relief cut. Now let's go ahead and warm it up. Now you can take your micro squeegee and tuck right to it. Now we can wrap the rest of this. You want to use your micro squeegee just to make sure that that edge is tucked in deep enough. We're gonna trim right here on the actual edge. Nice and clean. You don't see any chrome showing. Join our online wrap class now. If you struggle not knowing if you tucked in deep enough in these areas right here, watch this video. Day 28 on car wrapping tips for beginners, where I give you one new car wrapping tip for 30 days straight so you can perfect your craft. Before you even begin to think about tucking into this area, know these steps. 1, tape the area first. Step 2, need to trim it if you have a lot of vinyl. Step 3, lift off of the panel that you're trying to squeegee into. 4, squeegee with the felt side. 5, lift it off just a little bit. This time, you're gonna go with the hard side of your squeegee. Most people will end it right there and just squeegee it one time. That's where the problem lies. Next step, lift it again just to make sure that it's not sticking onto anything. This is the last step before you cut. Seal it down. Come and join our online wrap class so we can teach you more tips and tricks just like this. If you're working on a panel and you cut through both layers just like this, keep watching this video. Day 29 on car wrapping tips for beginners, where I give you one new car wrapping tip 30 days straight so you can perfect your craft. This is a simple fix. Let's get some tape. Then trim on the tape. Let's see if we cut through the tape. If it didn't cut through the tape, that means it didn't cut through the first layer of vinyl that we laid down. Day 30 is almost here. I know you're probably learning how to wrap on YouTube and you want to learn more on it, but you don't know the right places to go to. Well, guess what? We have classes every other month to teach you how to wrap cars properly and even do stuff like this, because our previous class did this. So I suggest you go ahead and subscribe to our channel, reach out to us, and be sure to sign up for our classes, because these classes get better and better. I look forward to seeing you in our class. If you're a beginner car wrapper and you're using these tools, keep watching this video. Day 30 on car wrapping tips for beginners, where I give you one new car wrapping tip for 30 days straight so you can perfect your craft. It's day 30. And I gave y'all plenty of tips, a lot of tips, but I'm gonna give you the best one right here. These are the top tools for any new car wrapper. Comment tools below and I can send you the full list. Use a heat gun, not a hairdryer. Use a blade, not a knife. Use a magnet, not your extra hand. You can use either one of these snitties right here. Use a micro squeegee, not your pinky nail. Use a squeegee, not a Great Wolf's card. I got a new 30-day challenge coming. Here's what it is.